Vada Pav is synonymous with the city of Mumbai. Almost every resident from factory worker to Bollywood star proudly declare their love for it. Also known as Bombay Burger. It is a food item that even McDonald's can't master. But how has this dish that Mumbaikars were not even aware of until 1970s became such a heart-throb? How Vada Pav became Mumbai's pride. Origins of Pav. If you have visited Mumbai, आपने यहाँ पे लोगों का पाव obsession तो देखा ही होगा. It is believed that it was the Portuguese who introduced the concept of baking breads during their colonial stint in Goa. They tried their best to mingle their European tastes with Indian tadka. From Goa, the bread makers traveled to Mumbai. Here their yeasty and fluffy preparations became a rage. Later it was the turn of Iranis, who used pav and bun in their kitschy cafes as a part of their snack menu. And with time, pav became cheap, accessible and a mass favorite. History of Vada Pav. The most common theory of Vada Pav's origin is that it was invented in central Mumbai. Ashok Vaidya of Dadar is often credited with the starting of first Vada Pav stall outside Dadar railway station in 1966. In the 1960s, Shri Bala Saheb Thackeray appealed to Maharashtrians to become entrepreneurs the way South Indians had by setting up the Udupi restaurants. This inspired Ashok Vaidya immensely and he began selling Vada Pav. Once he experimented and placed a vada between pav along with some chutney and add more flavor. The result of the experiment, Vada Pav, became an instant hit in no time. 1970s and 80s, Vada Pav की popularity एकदम बढ़ गई when it was seen as the snack of the working class. It was cheap, easy to make and convenient to eat. All these factors helped boost its consumption among masses who had no time or luxury to eat in the middle of their long commuting hours. And even today, for a city that's always on the move, I think the Vada Pav makes for the quickest, wallet-friendly and on-the-go snack. The 1990s saw the arrival of the American fast food chain McDonald's in India and expanded rapidly. However, it could not take over the Maharashtra's obsession with the Vada Pav. हम Indians हैं यार, हमें variety चाहिए है and that too कम दाम में. McDonald's and other food chains have standardized recipes and all their burgers taste almost similar. But that is no case with Vada Pav. Almost all the sellers boast of a secret recipe and ingredients that make their Vada Pav different. Vada Pav for the win. There are over 20,000 stalls selling Vada Pav in Mumbai. Mumbai alone has many variations of the food based in the locality. In the year 2000, Mumbai-based entrepreneur Dheeraj Gupta opened a Vada Pav chain, Jumbo King, that I am sure you must have heard of. Jumbo King has over 75 outlets in Mumbai alone, with each selling more than 500 Vada Pav every day. Did you know August 23 is observed as World Vada Pav Day to celebrate what is considered Maharashtra's biggest gift to the foodies? Where to eat? The most popular Vada Pav stalls are the Aram Milk Bar opposite the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus or Ashok Vada Pav in the suburbs of Dadar. Some vendors have even begun serving adapted versions, making it with Szechuan and sweet corn and a whole range of other ingredients. Let us know about your favorite Vada Pav stall in Mumbai and stay tuned for more videos.